Welcome to our channel. ERD is an industrial electronic repair company that provides an industry-leading 3-year warranty. We don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The Danaher Motion IDC SmartStep Series is a complete packaged microstepping drive control that provides a user-friendly system. The SmartStep uses IDC's ideal programming language and an application developer software package which simplifies system setup and integration. The unit has an internal heatsink and a fan which keeps the panel space required for each unit small and allows multiple units to be stacked together in multi-axis applications. This allows for a smoother performance across the entire motion profile. The system also allows up to 8 amps of motor current and is compatible with both standard and enhanced 17 frame to 42 frame step motors. This particular unit came in completely dead, and after a complete rebuild, we were able to communicate, save the program, and test the driver with one of our many stepper motors. Stepper technology is one of the oldest motor control types of technology, and ERD has decades of experience on the repair of all the various types of stepper controls. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more repair videos.